frozen shut upon the square below. A single candle fights the wind against the driving snow. The clockmaker looks to the sky. His gears have turned to rust. He whispers to the winter stars in shadows and in dust. He builds a machine to catch the time, to make the moment stay. But time is just a thief, my friend, who steals it all away. And as the hands align, the gears begin to grind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ring the bells, wake the night, set the frozen dock alight. Can you hear the angels scream inside the clockmaker's dream? Thunder rolls and violins cry underneath the Siberian sky. Time waits for no one, time waits for none, until the long winter is done. He tried to trap eternity inside a thunderclap. Now history is raining down like fire on the ice. He knows that every miracle must come with a price. Ring the bells, wake the night, set the frozen dark alight. Can you hear the angels scream inside the clockmaker's dream? Thunder rolls and violins cry underneath the Siberian sky. Time waits for no one, time waits for none, until the long winter is done. Ring the bells, wake the night, set the frozen dark alight. Can you hear the angels scream inside the clockmaker's dream? Thunder rolls and violins cry underneath the Siberian sky. Time waits for no one, time waits for none, until the long winter is done. And in the silence of the snow, the clock strikes 1.